Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You open Google Forms and create a new form now. Name the quiz and write a short description so students know expectations. Next, go to Settings and flip on Make This a Quiz. That activates points, answer keys, and automatic grading. Once done, decide how and when to release grades, immediately or after manual review, because that affects feedback timing and student experience. Make sure to enable respondent view options, like correct answers and missed questions as needed. You add questions deliberately. Pick the type that matches the skill you test. For each item, assign points and click Answer key to mark correct responses. Add feedback for right and wrong answers so learners learn instantly. Use sections to group topics and shuffle question order to reduce sharing. Once done, enable required on must-answer items and consider data validation for numeric formats. Also, include images or video when context matters. They increase clarity and reduce ambiguity. You should preview the quiz and take it yourself. This catches scoring errors and missing answer keys. Once satisfied, distribute the quiz using the share link, email, or assign in Google Classroom and set who can respond. After submissions, open the Responses tab to review auto-graded items, adjust scores manually if needed, and export results to Sheets or CSV. If grading looks wrong, first check answer keys and points. That single verification fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.